Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for episode 5 of Makeup and Chill, where we sit down, play a little music. I'll show you how I got this eye look right here using, from Pat McGrath, this is the Divine Rose Mothership palette. Oh, and the heavens open up, and my queen Pat McGrath come shooting out. Okay, I don't know where that analogy is going, but I love Pat McGrath. I love her products, and this eyeshadow palette is no exception. Right up my alley with the color story. On the rest of my face, I've got the Balm Desert Bronzer. I'll have this all linked down below. The Hourglass Ambient Light Blush in Diffused Heat. I've got my Natasha Denona Super Glow highlights. And I showed you all of these in the video. I'm whipped out an old favorite, Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara, and used it with the CoverGirl mascara primer, and it was like a moment of like, oh, I love you so much. I know that not everybody gets as excited about makeup as I do. Most people don't, but I know some of you do. So I've got the old 24/7 Waterline Urban Decay. I used the Stila liquid liner, and my lip is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat liner in Pillow Talk with, from By Terry, the Rose Balm. I do know that my foundation does not match my self-tanned arms because I bought my winter shade. I am filming this the same day I'm filming a review of the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Foundation, so... But I'm not leaving my house. Nobody's gonna see me. They don't know if I match or not. Doesn't matter. Cats don't care. If you'd like to see how I got this eye look, keep on watching. Thanks for spending some time with me in these very crazy times. Stay well, stay healthy, take care of each other.